Rakesh. Yes. So what about the homework?
Sir, I did the homework, but tables 11 and triple 11 multiplication, I did all the sums. Tables में 9 ending with 9, but the बाकी जो है 23 का किया sir.
But anything which is not clear to you, any doubt you have?
No, I don't have any doubt.
Okay. Piyushi? Piyushi, did you do the homework? Papa ने किया? Okay. Yes, Danesh? Kanchan and Pooja. Yes, Danesh? Again. Piyushi, are you there, beta? Pawan will be joining very shortly. Ciao. Okay. So, welcome back to the second day. And again, I would say now, by now you might be clear, yes, it is magical. Vedic maths makes our mathematics magical. Because it is so simple, so easy, and so faster than our conventional mathematics that it seems to be magical, right? Okay, so let's move to the second step of learning of Vedic mathematics. Now, so as I told you earlier, this workshop is not only learning of Vedic mathematics, it is more on it. It is learning and then launching your own classes and leading towards the success. So launching your own classes means you have the opportunities knocking your doors. In India, it is the biggest opportunity, if we can say. Even in our last Man Ki Baat, our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, he was describing the benefits of Vedic mathematics, and he introduced to one of the oldest Vedic mathematics trainer, who is doing this subject from last 20 years. Now, but since now it has been added into our national education policy, that means it is compulsory for every state, every board to introduce this subject. Yes, they might be delaying in a year, and it has been delayed due to COVID, but rest assured, it would be added. And for other countries like Nepal, if I'm talking about, or any other country, see, the subject itself has so much of advantages that if the educationalists or the teachers look at it, as maths is already a big troublesome for all the students, so it could also benefit them, right? And this has been my mission, to remove the fear of mathematics from every child. And in this, we have done in India, Nepal, some other countries also I'm teaching. Now, what are the opportunities? How you can be a part of this opportunity? See, every person can start Vedic mathematics classes right from their home, because you don't need any infrastructure, any separate infrastructure, any assets for it, right? Even if you are putting up at your home and you make use of your drawing room or an extra lobby room, you can start Vedic mathematics classes. The content, now the books are already available to you. You might have downloaded one e-book of sutras. Now that was a just introductory where all the sutras have been described. But if you want to go step by step, learn each and every concept, there are a series of 6 books that is known as Learn Maths Easy Way, Vedic Mathematics Step by Step. So while sitting at your home, you can use those books and you can teach to the students. So this is one option which can be started anytime without any huge investment, or I can say without any investment. Online education has given you such that you can start right from your home and any time, any hour of time. Similarly, if you're looking for a bigger one, yes, you can go for an institution. You can hire a place, a commercial place, and then go for an institution where you can teach students, school students, entrance examination students, or even the class, even the teachers. You can have separate batches for housewives, because mothers are very much interested in the subject because they don't want their kids to suffer because of mathematics. See, maths is a fear factor for not only kids, not only children, but their parents too. Because parents are always focusing on their study. Now, yesterday only I received a call from one of my old friends. His son is in ninth standard. He just cleared ninth standard in Oak Ridge School, Bangalore. But he told me very clearly, Yogesh, there is a problem. He's lacking in mathematics. So how to do it? I said, yes, the base is not clear. And for that, we need to give them some extra knowledge, something, some confidence is required, right? So you'll always find people interacting or parents interacting with teachers on this subject, mathematics. Everybody has a fear. So one can go for training institution where you can guide teacher students as well as their parents, and thus this could be a very good source of income for you. And in case you think, no, I don't want people to walk in into my place, I don't want to open an institution, I don't want to invest even a single rupee. So yes, then you can move out for home tuitions. There are parents, there are people who want to teach their kids at their home, right? At their resources. So these three options are always available for you to work as an independent entrepreneur, right? You can start this anytime without any big investments. Now, since this subject is being implemented in every school, so definitely there are job openings also. So if you're looking for a job, there are so many schools nowadays. If you see Google or job options, schools are looking for Vedic mathematics trainers, instructors who can teach Vedic mathematics. Redmi 10, पवन ये आपका है? Redmi Note. Okay. So job openings are getting more and more. Every school is looking because they also want some trainers which could guide their students. For example, if I talk about, in last 2 months, I gave trainings in some schools in Nepal. Now they also need trainers. They need teachers. So how to fulfill that opportunity? Right. So in India also, wherever we are teaching, or whichever school is hiring or introducing this subject, they need teachers. So we just have to knock the doors, and the opportunities are there, right? In case you are already running up some institution, you are running abacus center, any competitive examination or anything like of regarding in this education. So Vedic mathematics can be introduced as an additional component, correct? And that will not again cost you much, but yes, it would be a guiding source for all the other students. Now, I have a teacher from Bangalore, Divya. She's into abacus from past 10 years, 10 plus years. And yesterday also she was discussing, because she's taking training from me now for Vedic mathematics. That's a From July, all the students from Vacus, they will be now joining Vedic mathematics. So while sitting, she has done so much of business immediately just by getting this knowledge, right? Because people are there who are looking for trainers. Parents are there who are looking for trainers, but we don't have if I talk about India, we have scarcity of these trainers. If I talk about Nepal, today, you just check with Nepal, there is not even single trainer available right now. Not even single advertisement goes for Vedic mathematics. So see how much scope is there. You just have to contact school owners and they are ready. Similarly, there are so many countries. Yesterday, I received around 4 inquiries from Nigeria itself, Ethiopia 2, Pakistan 2, Bangladesh 4. So people are there, right? Any questions you have? Yes, Danesh.
Okay, sir. It's okay.
Pawan. Yes, anyone have in the view? Any questions you have?
No, no, sir. No questions.
Okay. So Sunday being. Okay, what about yes, Danesh, have you done the homework?
The homework I haven't gone through. I have gone through all the lessons. I have step by step. I've worked it out. I have had to stop from time to time to revise and to. I've gone through it very thoroughly. Yeah. And I have been able to understand. It's not so complicated, but my screen, I was not following at all on my screen. That's why I found it difficult.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now, how much you understood? Now, what percentage? If I talk about yesterday, we just did 2 topics, major topics. So how much do you think is clear to you? How much percent?
I can say some 75 to 80.
That's great number then. See, if in a first day you can achieve 75, 80%, then that means in a day or so it would be 100. See,
yeah, I'll have to work on it again. Yeah, there are some issues that I must tackle again. Yeah, I'll go through it again.
I'll share you a quote of Napoleon Hill. Now he said, if your mind conceives and believes something, right?
Yeah.
First is conceive, then believe, then you can achieve that.
Definitely.
Right. So there is nothing which we cannot achieve. The only thing is we need to believe on that first. Yes, we can do it. Right. Then there is nothing which is difficult. Piyushi, homework hua?
Yeah.
Piyushi, have you done the homework? Pawan?
थोड़ा ही किया था सर.
क्यों, क्या हो गया?
ज्यादा नहीं कर पाए.
तो था ही नहीं, 8-10 क्वेश्चंस तो थे.
बस थोड़ा बिजी हो गया था कल.
अपने लिए तो टाइम निकालना ही पड़ेगा. हम अपने लिए बिजी हो जाएंगे तो कभी भी वक्त किसी के पास भी नहीं है. हम अगर यही प्लान देखते रहे कि हमारे को वक्त नहीं मिला, बिजी भी हम कामों में हैं, ये भी अगर मैंने वही बोल रहा था मैं. If your mind conceives and believes, then you can achieve. अगर पहले ही मन को कह दिया कि yes, I am busy, then what? चलिए, no issues. I can understand. And today it is Sunday. Every time I feel that Sunday, it's like they are in a different mood. Now see this. Maybe you get motivated from him. Now he's Mr. Syed Hussain from Nigeria, a teacher of mathematics. If you see the date, it is last year around March 21. So he's already teaching mathematics in a school, but the problem was, you have so many math teachers. So what you are giving extra today to the students, that matters a lot. See, every student needs something extra, something important, something valuable. So he did Vedic mathematics, and now he is taking the same maths classes, but with additional tips. So wherever the students are finding difficulty, he is dealing with Vedic mathematics and he is giving them the extra benefits. And what has happened? I don't think the school might have paid him good for this. No, but yes, what he got is more respect from the teacher, school, more respect from the students, teachers, and an extra source of income in the evening time. Now kids are coming to him to learn those magical tricks. So this is a difference, right? When we always take this thing into granted, when you give something to others, you will be benefited out of it. Don't think when you take something, then only you get benefit. When you give something, then also you get benefited. It is always the way how you think. I'll just give you one more example on this. Now, see, this is Quora, which I was talking about yesterday, and this is around last year. I was on the top last year also, but if you check today, my views are around 12,000 plus, and the second one is just 500, 600. I'll just share you the recent one, today's video, latest records, and you'll see. And why does it happen? I'll tell you. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see.
Yes, sir.
Now see, 12,312. Okay. And the second, 900. Why is it so? I told you, see, it's not when you gain something, then only you achieve something. No. When you give something also to the society, to anyone without any thought like, yes, what I'll be getting in return, then also there is always you receive something. There is some power which gives you. Now the reason behind this was I have given 147 answers to the people who are looking for their queries. See, if I'm solving your problems, definitely you'll come back to me or I'll get benefited in any way. See, nature is like this only. This is a difference. And if you see, I started in this Quora only 2 years back, and all might be 10 years, 15 years. So what I could earn in 2 years, not as financially, I'm saying, earning does not mean financially only. You get the respect, you get the status, or you get acknowledged. If you work or if you are doing something without any intentions. So make this a goal. Yes, I don't say don't earn by Vedic mathematics, earn. But at the back of your mind, just think what transformation you are bringing in the society. How many kids you are transforming? How much fear you are removing? Because when you'll remove fear from someone, they will never forget you. Right? Money will automatically flow in. But before that, the things are different. What we are doing for them. Right? So make it a mission that yes, this is very beautiful subject which changes a life. So thinking in that manner can bring definitely a positive change in the society also. Okay, one more you can have a look. Now she is Priyadarshini Bora from Assam and a class 10 student. And when now she is training her juniors as well as seniors. Now this is what is the achievement. Just in class 10 and teaching juniors as well as seniors. So she is one of the youngest trainer in Vedic mathematics from Assam. I shared some seminars with her also, where she was delivering in Assamese and I was in English. So when these people can achieve, a person who is in Nigeria, no link, no connectivity to India, no connectivity in historical or any way, a student of class 10 can do. So what about you? You cannot do. You can do. Just think, I can do, and it would be done. So for the only thing is you have to be firm on your decisions, right? Yes. Feeling something positive or not? Yes, Danesh.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
So
Definitely.
let's start. So take out your paper and pen and let's start calculation part.
Yes.
Now, the first topic would be finding scares. Now, what is a scare? Yes, Danish. What is a scare? Piyushi, what is a scare?
No, multiply by itself, no?
Yes. Okay. Now, the first topic would be finding scares of two-digit numbers. Now, talking about scare. So scare is nothing but a number. Okay, first it is represented like this. Raised to power 2. And what is this? Number multiplied by itself. Yes. For example, if n is 1, so 1 square is 1 into 1, 1. 2 square is 2 into 2, that makes 4. 9 square is 9 into 9, that makes 81. Now, so first thing is you write down this table, because this, with the help of this table only, we will find the squares of bigger numbers. Plus, not only finding squares, even in finding the square roots, this table is very important, right? So please write down this table, squares of numbers up till 10. Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Danish, okay. Pawan?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, great. Now,
Yes.
so let's come to till now, if I ask you what is square of 19 or 23, so how do? We multiply 19 with 19, 1 8. Yes. This is how we do. For 23, again we'll multiply. So this is conventional way of mathematics. So if big numbers come, we'll be in trouble. Yes, any other way you know to multiply such now to get squares? Pavan, Irvinda?
No, sir.
Sorry.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now see
Only
the difference.
by multiplying.
If I talk about 18, we'll make use of that table. Now we know the square of 1. What is there? What is
One.
there?
1.
1.
Okay,
One.
but only thing is we'll write in 2 digits. 0, 1. We'll write in 2 digits. What is square of 8?
64.
64.
So first step is writing the squares separately. This is step 1. Any doubt? Now second step. We will calculate 2AB. Now, what do you mean by AB? Always this first digit is called A, this is called B, and 2 already we have. So indirectly we multiply all these 3 numbers. So what is 2 into 1 into 8? 16.
16.
I will not write anything below this 4. This is always kept empty. We'll start from 10's position. Up till here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
And just add them. 4, 2. Making the use of that table. Yes, any doubt you have, Danesh, here or Piyushi?
No,
Anyone?
it's okay, sir.
Okay.
It's okay.
Now see, for 23, 0409, leaving this place, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 529. 38. Sorry, 38 we have done. 35. 09, 25, 15, 30. 1, 2, 2, 5. Any questions? Any doubts if you have?
No, sir.
Yes, Danish.
No, it's okay, sir.
It's okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Great. Then please find out 19 square.
$361, sir.
Okay.
61.
Yes, Danesh, you got it?
I got 561.
Right. How 561? 01, 81, 18. Sorry.
81.
Hmm?
19 times 2, no?
No 19 times. 1 into 9 into 2.
1, yeah, 18 then. Yeah, understood.
So that time 1, 6, 3. Got it? Okay. 44 square.
1936, sir.
Yes, Danish, hurry up. Increase speed now. Okay, for 48.
One,
Tell me.
no, 1776.
Why 1776? How?
416.
16, 16,
16.
then 32.
Then I
Then what is 2 into 4 into 4? See the
yeah.
screen. See the screen. I have written the answer here. So 1616,
Yeah.
then 32. So 1936. Yes, 48 here.
2304, sir.
Very good. Okay. 51.
Two 601.
2601.
Yes, then you see 25, 01, 5 into 2 is 10. So 2601. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. 74. 87. 93.
5476.
5496.
I'm giving 5 questions. Solve all.
Okay.
Sir, can you break one again for me?
Which one?
Say 474.
Okay, 74 means 49 and 16.
49 and 16. Yeah.
So what is 7 into 4?
28.
28 into 2.
56.
Add 56 here. So 6, 7, 4, 5.
6, 7, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. 87.
So we just have to use that table, and with that table, everything can be done.
I have done it, sir.
Good.
All the 5
Done,
sums.
sir. Done, sir.
Good. Now, last one. Biggest 2-digit number.
Nine 9801.
Yes, 9801.
Yes, Danish.
No, sir. When here, when we are doing 2 into AB, we are getting 3 digits. So when we are going to add,
Which one?
say for example 87.
Okay. See, you don't worry, even if it is 3 digit. So 64, 49. First step done.
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
Second step. What is 8 into 7?
56.
56 into 2.
112.
So write down 112. You don't have to write here only. That's all. This is the only condition.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
7, 5,
112.
6, 9.
Okay.
Okay. Now pay attention because new point would be there. So 99, you said 9801. Correct. Now, I told you this concept works for 2 digits. But we can get 3 digits also. But before that, let me give a different way. Now, you all know this formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab.
Yes, sir.
Actually, we were using this only. We were writing here a square, we were writing here b square, and just omitting the place, we were writing 2ab. But in this format, what was happening? Every time you were supposed to take the answer in 2 digits. So sometimes, for example, if it is 51, sometimes a student might do a mistake. Instead of 01, he writes only 1. So then the answer is wrong. Now this can be written in a different manner also. See, making use of your balancing line, a square, 2ab, and b square. Please remember this format only. Don't use first b square and then 2ab. Only in this format. Now see example 51. A is 5, B is 1. So A square means 25, 2AB means 10, and B square means 1. So answer is 2601. Only benefit in this format is you don't have to worry that the answer should be in two digits. Even if you write this in 2 digits, then also it would be same. So even if you avoid or you miss, then also you will not be wrong. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now do the same with this concept. Do 88. What happened? 64, 128, 64.
64.
So now 4 as it is 8 plus. So this also becomes 134. 4, 13 goes further.
7744.
Oh.
Is that it? Get the answer?
No,
Why?
64,
Hmm.
128,
Then
64.
so how many digits you can have in one balancing line? Only one. 6 goes here. For what it becomes? 128 plus 6 is 134. So 4 I'll keep here. Okay, I'll solve one for you. That is why I say homework should be done, because this concept is just what we learned last. So 4 as it is, 4 over here. This 13 moves here, so it becomes 77. Now is it clear? Okay. So last 98. Yeah.
Nine 604.
How Yes. Tell me, na. You have to speak. 81. Then
9404.
9.
Okay,
9404.
9404 is wrong. It is 9604 only.
81, 144 in the middle,
Yes. So that becomes 4. It becomes 150.
150.
15 goes further. So that is 96.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Danesh.
No, sir. This I am not understanding. 81, 144, 64. Till now, it's okay.
So now what we learned yesterday, how many numbers in one balancing line?
Only one.
So that is
So
what
here we are going to add 81, 144, and 64.
No, that means you're not listening.
Yeah, I've missed. Perhaps the pace is a bit.
Up till here it is okay.
81, 144, 64. Till here it's okay.
Now, if I want only one digit here, so what will I do for 6?
Only one digit here for 6. Repeat it, sir.
6 का क्या करूं अब मैं? 4 तो ले लिया, 6 का क्या करूं?
6.
I'll shift here or not?
Yeah,
What it becomes?
10. So then it will become 0.
144 में 6 ऐड करेंगे तो 10 कैसे बना सर?
No, my 4 में add कर रहा हूँ.
Is it
144 में 6.
So
144 में 6.
wait,
150. 150.
just see. I'll write down in steps if first time. Now is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. अब 4 यहाँ रह गया. यहाँ now we have 3 digits here. What to do?
Yeah.
What to do? 15 will move here.
Okay.
So 4 here, 0 here, 15 goes here. What it becomes?
96.
That's all. See, this balancing line we yesterday learned, when tables also we were doing the same thing.
Yeah.
In 11
Yeah.
also we did the same thing. Now don't say
Mhm.
I skipped. It was done. Just you have to put the same thing. There is nothing new coming. All things would have balancing line. That is the reason it is called as balancing line.
Okay.
It will balance your problems. Right? Okay. Now, if I have a question 102, how will we solve? Now, this is a 3-digit number. Yes. Tell me, Inderveer.
So
Pawan.
2 and 10. 10 को अलग ले लेंगे, 2 को अलग ऐसे.
Okay. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2. Perfect. So
Two.
A square
Yes, sir.
2AB and B square. That means A square becomes 100. 2AB becomes
40.
40.
and 4. So this goes here. It becomes 10404. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, Pawan, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Danesh.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now my question is something different. Can I have A as 1 and B as 02?
होना तो चाहिए सर इसे भी.
क्या होगा? Yes, Inderveer.
B.
No.
No.
Why?
नंबर लाइन वाली बात है तो एक डिजिट लेंगे ना पीछे से.
Yes.
तो हो तो नहीं रहा.
क्यों नहीं हो रहा? अगर 0 की बजाय कुछ और होता फिर?
जब भी नहीं होगा सर.
Okay.
अब ध्यान से देखो, ए स्क्वायर कितना हुआ?
1.
2ab. Only thing you have to remember now is your b is already a 2-digit number. मतलब जो यूनिट प्लेस है वो 2 डिजिट की है. हम क्या कहते थे? व्हाट वाज आवर कंसेप्ट? 1 digit at unit place. But यहाँ already if it is fixed, it is a 2 digit, 04, 04, and this is your answer. Why do you think
Oh, so direct answer.
this is the direct answer? Because now you can have 2 digits at each place, because your b, your digit, that is 2-digit number. Here every time whenever we did, b was single digit number. See for one example.
Yes.
121. First case, I keep a as 12, b as 1. So 12 square is 144, 24 and 1. So answer becomes 14641. Sorry. I'll write down that step. 14641. That means 14641. Correct? But
Yes.
if I take a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 21, so why not possible? 21 into 2 is 42, and 21 square is 441. Now I can have only 2 digits. So answer is 14641. Then also it is same, 14641. See, this balancing line is very, very important, very useful for you. The only thing is you need to have that clear concept. You can play with this line. Why we are doing like this? See, every time you will not have a smaller. Yes, is it clear, Danesh?
Yeah.
Okay, now see one number, 911. Now, if I take a is equal to 91, how difficult it is? B is equal to 1, how difficult it is? So instead of that, I take a as 9, B as 11, because I know 11 table. So I'll use this 81, 99 into 2, 198, and 121. Only one goes here, 21, 99, 82. जो तू बनाया. Yes. अब बताओ क्या? Now, do you think you were if you would have done by this, you would have landed in a problem? 91 square, how will you calculate?
Double the steps हो जाते हैं फिर.
And now it is so
Yes.
see, that is what is known as visualization. You have to decide what is the best for you. Every moment
Yes.
you can take a step. Yes, this way is my. The only thing is now, since you are taking B as 11, that means unit place, you have already decided a 2-digit number. So everywhere you will get 2 digits.
Okay. if we decide that unit place 3 digit, then number line में हम 3 digit लेने हैं फिर.
नहीं, हम 3 डिजिट लेंगे नहीं, इतना बड़ा इस मेथड से नहीं करेंगे, वो उसका स्क्वायर निकालना ही मुसीबत हो जाएगा। पर ये इसलिए किया था कि डबल डिजिट का निकालना है। सपोज 1122 है क्वेश्चन, तो क्या करेंगे आप? क्या आप ट्रिपल लोगे किसी साइड भी? नहीं, बहुत मुश्किल होगा
No,
आपके लिए।
नहीं.
तो उसकी
Yes,
बजाय
yes. But
AB11
law,
B22
ना-
हाँ बोलो।
सर वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन लॉ तो है सर, मतलब कर सकते हैं, मुश्किल तो होगा, बट
फिर वही
लेकिन ये
बात है,
फॉलो करेगा।
ये तो जबरदस्ती नहीं करना ना, कर तो सकते हैं, करने का तरीका तो है ही हमारे पास। फिर
हाँ।
हम 3 डिजिट्स रखेंगे।
यस, हाँ, मतलब लॉ ये है। ठीक सर, ठीक है।
अब इसका निकालो 11, पहले हम थोड़े सिंपल इजी देता हूँ। सो 205 फाइंड आउट।
फोर 42025 42025।
Yes, sir. 42025.
Good. Yes, Danesh.
No, I am only following, sir.
Chalo, as you wish. Okay. 1, 3, 6.
Hey,
18496।
Sir, I got 170596.
13 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 169।
69, yes।
13 into 6 is
78।
78।
756
हाँ,
into 2 156 हो गया सर।
13 into 12 is 156 and 36. So 3 goes here, 6, 9.
Yes,
3 goes here, so 4, 184.
yes।
Oh,
यही है सर।
I got this.
Indrajit, where are you going? Wrong.
Sir, I middle वाली balancing line में 15 को transfer नहीं किया.
Okay.
Got
क्योंकि अब
it,
हमारा
sir.
यूनिट प्लेस में 1 डिजिट है।
वो इसलिए ना क्योंकि A is 13 easy. अगर B को 6 लिया तो that is much easier. If A would have taken 1, B has 36, then 36 का पहले निकालना पड़ता. So this
Yes, difficult है।
small things you have to take into consideration. Okay, now
Yes.
एक tough question दे देते हैं. 769. Now why I am giving you tough is after this we'll be learning another concept. See, this is not all in scaring. Scaring has around 12 methods. And everywhere you have to visualize and you have to select what is best for me. Right? Like abhi jaise kiya. Now this is tough because you have to separately find scare of either 76 or 69. But still do it so that when you do the easy method, you'll find why we did this. Do it.
Five nine one three six one.
Yes, sir. 591361.
Okay. So easy था, tough था? Was it easy?
पहले से टफ था.
पहले से टफ है, एक और टफ दे देते हैं so that easy का स्वाद उसके बाद आएगा. Now this is a verbal answer if we'll use another technique because it is near to 1000. But do it, तभी आप enjoy करेंगे.
China Shukula, sir. We thank you.
Sir, 998001.
Correct. And you know, you took around 2 minutes plus. You'll be solving this question within 10 seconds. Not even 10 seconds. One, it would be verbal. But before that, okay, one simple 45 square. Danesh, this is verbal, mental. So please pay attention now. घर वालों से बाद में बात कर लेना. If you're talking to somebody, please, you can switch off the video that time.
Okay.
2025. 2025.
Yeah, 2025.
Now, I'll give you a very simple concept. Second concept is finding squares of numbers ending with 5. We use a sutra e kadi ke na kal bhi use kiya tha humne. For example, if it is 15. So the answer is very clear. 5 का square 25 ही आएगा and 1 को उससे next से multiply कर दो. What comes after 1? Or what is 1 plus 1?
2.
So we'll multiply 1 with 2. 25. What is after 2? 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. 25. 35. 3 into 4 is 12 and 25. Did you understand? हो जाएगा?
Yes,
Ranesh,
sir.
Yes.
now what is 45 square?
Two zero two five.
2025.
Speed कम है. 55 square?
3025.
3025.
Yes, Danesh. 55. What is
No,
5
no.
into 6?
No, I
Not
didn't
pay-
understand it.
You are not paying attention actually. You're busy somewhere today. I said whatever is the number before 5, just multiply with the second number. So when it is 45, so what comes after 4?
There's a bit disturbance in my room, actually.
Okay, as you wish. At least, okay.
I am unable to follow you. There is a bit
No
disturbance here.
issues. No issues. You can later on check. Yes. So what is 65 square?
4225.
4225.
75 square?
5625.
5625.
5 square?
7224.
95 square?
9025.
9025.
105 square?
11025.
11025.
115 square?
1
Yes, we did it yesterday. 11 into 12 is 132.
13225.
125. 12 into 13 is 156.
15625.
15625.
15625.
15625.
13 into 135.
18225.
19225.
So how easy this becomes? Just mental. And similarly, we did 20. So it was nothing. 20 into 21. So 20 means 2 into 2, 42, 0, 25. So whenever 5 is coming, always remember this becomes this. Now, why does it happen? See, our formula was a squared 2ab b square, correct? If I say number is ending with 5, that means the number is like this, a5, where a can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. Yes? So can I write directly a square instead of this 10a square 25? Can I write like this? So what does this happen? A square, if I shift a here, see, we have to balance. So a square plus a, and here 2, here 5. Now, or you can write directly later on. What is a square plus a? That is a into a plus 1 into यहाँ 2, 5 इकट्ठा कर देते हैं. So this is what was happening.
Yes.
Whatever was the number, if it was 35, so 3 into 3 plus 1 means the next number. What is this? This is the
Yes.
concept of e-kadhikena. You are applying e-kadhikena, means one more than the number. Is it clear now? Why does it happen? पता चल गया?
Yes.
Yes, Pawan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these were the two topics of scaring. Now we face difficulty in 999. We face difficulty in 769. Means we were able to find, but we were taking time. Now let me give you a very simple solution to that. The third concept is known as universal method to find pair of numbers. Any big numbers also we can take. I'll just give you first a simple number, then a bigger number. Now suppose 23. Okay, first we did 19, I think 19 or 18 we did. If I want to have 0 at this position, what should I do? Yes, 19 square निकालना है मुझे. I just want to replace 9 with 0. I should have unit place पर मेरा 0 आ जाए. So what should I do?
Sir, 20 minus 1 या 10 plus 9.
21.
You are going right, but going the reverse way. 20 कहाँ अभी है हमारे पास? हमारे पास number 19 है. So that means add 1 or subtract 9. Got my point?
Okay.
Let's do add 1. 20 आ गया. Now we added. There was no requirement. So whatever is added, it has to be subtracted also. So what I get new number? 18. Now just multiply these two numbers. 18 into 2 is?
36.
So 360, I got it. And find the square of this. 1. Answer is 361. See your other way. You said you can subtract 9 also. Yes, you can. So what will I get? 10. 19. If I have subtracted 9, I should add 9 also. 28. So what is 28 into 10? Most easy. 280. Plus now 9 square is 81. Again 361. So in Vedic maths, you have so many options to do the same question. Now this was a small question. I'll give you the bigger one. But is the concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Is Danish?
It is clear, sir. It is clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just see one more example. Now for 999, you took 2 minutes. Now see. If I add 1, it becomes 1000. If I subtract 1, I get 998. Multiply 998 into 1000 is?
998 000.
And adding 1 to it, you get the answer. See, all your calculations are gone. Now you're not finding 9 square. You're not finding 99 square. You're not finding 9 into 99 into 2. Nothing is required. What you did, added 1, made it 1000. And to multiply any number with 1000, that means you're multiplying with 1 only, na? So how easy this was? It hardly takes 1 second, 2 seconds. Is it clear now? Yes, tell me. Yes, any questions you have?
No, sir.
Yes, Danish.
No, sir, it's okay. It's clear, but I'll have to digest it little by little.
No issues.
Yeah.
Okay. Then do what is 97 square now?
Sir, 9409.
9409. Yes, Danish, did you get the answer?
No, I am not working, sir. I am only following.
So 9400 and 9. Correct? Got it. Now, yes, Pawan? Yes, Pawan. Okay. If it is 103, then
Yeah.
what happened?
So 10499, but method.
No. How?
It,
See,
sir, I added +7 and -7.
why 7? Instead of that, why not subtracted 3? Why are you
Okay.
making tough for yourself? 10600 and 9. Now, what you was doing, let me clear your doubt. See, adding 7 means you're making 110. Is it
Yes.
easy to multiply with 110 or 100?
No, this is easier.
We have to make it this way.
Yes.
Now, one more question on the same ground. 113 square.
So 12769.
Yes.
12769.
So now see 113. So I'll subtract 1300. And here 13 means 126. So 12600 and then 13 square is 169. So 12769. See how much calculations are saved. Now, this is the reason why I'm bringing it to 100. or bringing it to the nearest zeros. Correct? Okay. 79.
Sir, 6241.
Very.
6241.
Any doubt left now? So see, even if it is 4976, or yes, let's say this is a big number. Solve this.
Sir, 24760,484.
Okay. Yes, Danish, you're getting something.
Yeah, definitely. I am getting, but I am following.
Okay. Now the concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
4976 को कैसे करना चाहिए? बहुत लंबा हो रहा है सर।
अगर
इजी तो नहीं हो रहा।
नहीं, एक बात बताओ, 4976 क्वेश्चन इतना बड़ा है तो डेफिनेटली उसके मार्क्स भी तो ज्यादा होंगे ना। तो या तो तरीका आप वाला है, करते रहो बैठ के, कितने कैरी ओवर्स आएंगे, कितने मल्टीप्लाइज आएंगे, तो उसमें तो सिंपल कर दिया, +24 5000 -24 कितना आया, 4952। हाँ, तो इसको 4952 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई अगर करना है, कभी भी किसी नंबर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना हो तो उसमें क्या करते हैं, यू डिवाइड बाय 2 एंड 0 लगा दो। ये कंसेप्ट्स हैं। अब ये इजी है मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 करना है या ये इजी है, ये आपको डिसाइड करना है। इसलिए क्वेश्चन देख के ये नहीं सोच सकते कि बड़ा है, वो तो एक्चुअल में बड़ा है, तो मार्क्स भी उसी हिसाब से बड़े होंगे ना। सो देयर इज अ कंसेप्ट नोन एज डबलिंग। अब आप कहते हैं कि आपको व्हाट इज डबलिंग, मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद 2। हमें लगता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद 2 ये तो बहुत इजी चीज है। नो, it is the best brain exercise because you multiply mentally and that too from left to right. So at the same time your left brain is working on the calculation, right brain is working, what will come next? There is
okay.
any questions now? Yes, any questions now?
No, sir.
So 3 methods we have done. First was finding for 2 digits only. Second, numbers ending with 5. Third, universal method. Okay. Now, so similarly, if I say there are so many other methods also, for example, numbers ending with 9, numbers ending with like 5 is there, similarly 4, 6, वो इसी pattern पे work करेगा. Numbers ending with 9. So all the calculations become mental. Now what happens? The more you'll be using your brain, the more faster you will be and more confidence will come. Otherwise, हम calculation तो करते ही हैं. We take time, but what we want is fast. It is not कि speed ज़्यादा हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा? Yes, it will. Because nowadays it is competitive world. Class 1, if you're looking for a admission to class 1 also, your child has to give exam of mathematics. So this is the importance of maths. If you're looking for an MBA college, then also you have to go for mathematics exam. And every exam is race against time. You know why students are not easily cracking Olympiads, NAT, and all those exams? Because they might be intelligent, but they cannot complete with speed. Now, usually you get only few seconds, few minutes to solve one paper. It is around 120 minutes may you have to go for 100 questions. So that is difficult. Right? Okay. Now, any doubt in this topic? Now, the second topic we'll take is how to launch your classes, how to start with it, right? Okay, so this was what we did. We learned earlier, finding squares of 2-digit numbers. We just leave the unit place and right from left. So again, notes you can download. I'll be sharing today notes again. For numbers ending with 5 and the universal method. So then we also learn cubes, but before that, we learn how to launch your classes, right? Now, very important thing, when you're looking forward to start your own classes, nowadays it is a time of online classes. Offline, it needs so much of investment, so people are not looking forward for that. Everybody wants a mileage. Everybody wants online so that they can get more and more people, right? Because you get inquiries and you can get the clients from across the globe. So 5 major points, 5 things you have to note when you are doing it for online. First is a thorough course idea. Now, what do I mean by this? See, when you are planning to launch your own classes, you should be very clear who is your target audience. Now, this is a biggest mistake which we do. We generally give an ad, learn Vedic mathematics. Now, do you think anybody will come to that ad? No. Why? Because clarity is missing. What clarity? It is not defined for whom this ad is targeted. If you want people to learn Vedic mathematics, but whom are you targeting? Are you targeting kids? Are you targeting school children? Are you targeting students who are appearing for entrance examination? Or are you targeting parents, housewives, or teachers? So this is very essential. This is very necessary. When you start your classes, your target audience should be very clear, or you should be very clear in your, even right from your advertisement to every promotional activity to whatever guidance you are giving. Now, you cannot offer the same course to all. Yes, Vedic maths is a complete subject, but again, it is to be divided into groups. You cannot have all the students together. Classes can be divided, 3rd, 4th, 5th, they can have one batch. 6th, 7th, 8th, that can be a second batch. 9th, 10th, they can have a different, because the IQ level is always different. You cannot attach a 8th standard student with a 3rd class, and you cannot offer the same syllabus to both of them. So when you're going for a classes, when you're going for this, the syllabus should be well defined. I'm not saying every material should be there, but at least the appendix, at least the content, at least the what is to be taught. That should be clear. Now, I'll give you a very small difference. If you see my link of the books, there are 6 books given. Those are for teacher training. Now, teacher training means you need to learn every concept. And even students of 11, 12, they need to learn all the concepts. But when I come to class 3rd, 4th, which we are using for schools, there is a broad difference. Now, the first difference is a child is taught with addition and then multiplication before subtraction. Now, you'll say, no, it doesn't. It should not be. First, it should be subtraction. No. Why? Because the borrow concept is always conceptual. Students find it difficult to learn borrowing. And in multiplication, only addition is there. So that is the reason when we go for addition, to practice that addition, first multiplication is taught in Vedic maths, or as per my syllabus. Another concept is vinculum numbers. Now, vinculum are imaginary numbers. So if you go for class 6, 7th, 8th, you should learn that topic. But if it is classes below that, it is not required. Right? So you have to decide beforehand for advertisational material also, promotional material also, and in guiding the parents. So your ad or anything should give a clear message. Who is your client? If it is Vedic, learn Vedic mathematics for class 3rd, 4th, 5th, then see the change. You will receive inquiries from parents who are of this age, and even from others also. Are you not teaching this to 6th class? But at least they'll know the clarity. If you are not putting anything, then it would be overlooked as another ad. So this is very important. If you are targeting only teachers, so it should be very clear, or teachers. Correct? I'm not saying all the books, all the contents should be ready, but again, I'm saying the main part, or what you'll be teaching, that should be clear to you also, and that should be made clear to the client also, right? Second important thing which you need is client list or email list nowadays we say. Now, why do we say email list? Just give me 1 second. Now, email list is nothing but people who you know could be your target. Now, if you are targeting schools, so definitely you can get an email list from Google itself, from Facebook itself. If you are targeting, if you're putting up in one society or one apartment, that is the best thing. So people who are putting up in apartment society, they are very well doing with this job, because they get more clientage, they get tuition work more. Parents are sending because nobody wants to send far away. So you can easily get clients, or you can easily get students from an apartment, because you can easily deliver your message to them. And for others, yes, emails works. Other sources are, you can reach to the schools and get the data. But this is required, because the first day your advertisement or your will not give you all the admissions. So initially you need to have some base. For that, these things are necessary, right? The third important thing is, yes, Danesh, you can put it on. The third important thing is the sales page. Now I'm talking about only online right now. So the sales page is a place from where you can reach out to the public, or reach out to your students, or reach out to your clients. And that was one reason I asked you to have a Facebook page, not profile. Now, what is the difference between profile and a page? See, both look similar. If you see, they look similar. I'll just give you a reference right away. I'll put it in chat box. Now, if I talk about profile, my profile is, you can have a look later on. My profile is facebook.com / Dr. Yogesh Chandna 1. Now, what is the difference then? The difference is, in profile, you have friends. And in page, you have likes. Now, this is not the only difference. You have location, you got timings. Now, when you have to start some business, what do you prefer? Right from home or for an office? So Facebook page is just like an office for you. People will rely more on page, not on your personal profile, because in personal profile, there is something, content is entirely different. You might have observed, when you are putting some posts regarding your holidays, regarding your kids, regarding your excursion tours, you get so many of likes, So many 50 likes, 20 likes, 100 likes, 100 comments. The moment you put something regarding your business, yes, I am starting a class, this is my classes, nobody turns out. Now, why is it so? Because your friends, your relatives, they are concerned about your personal issues. They are not concerned with your business. And that is what you also do. See, everybody has the same way of thinking. So, and that is the reason why pages are done, because it gives entire thing. How old is your company or how old is your page there, in fact, timing of opening of your offices, location of your offices, reviews if you have received, and any jobs if you are floating, shop is there if you have some products to sell. So many things are there. So when you are launching it, now why I'm talking about Facebook more here is it is the easiest mode. We'll discuss this again in detail in the next slide. Okay, I've given you first is profile, second is my page, third is groups. All the three are different. You should check. The URL of group is different. There it is written groups in between. Otherwise, profile and page don't have different URL, but you can only, after viewing, you can find the difference. Okay. Now, third important thing is the way to take payments. See, when you are working, when you're doing some, launching some courses, or when you're running a business, definitely you need money because you're working for it. Now, if we talk about India, payments are very easy. You have some wallets where you can easily get money. In case the other person, your student, your client does not have a wallet, you have your bank account, that can be done. Again, if they want to pay through credit card, there are some other methods. We'll discuss this again. So sales and way to payments we have in next slides. We'll go for in detail. Coming to the fifth point, terms and conditions. Now, when you are launching the classes, you are starting your classes, this is very important. Because whatever your terms and conditions are, they cannot be copied. Like if I am planning to launch something in 100 rupees, might be you have 50 rupees or you have 150. And if I am not giving something free of cost, maybe you are giving or anything. So one should always decide terms and conditions initially, because it would be better every time you are not talking to your clients, you are not talking to all the students, your staff is also talking. So a company looks professional if they have strict terms and conditions initially. You might think that people will run away. No, everybody wants discipline in the business. Everybody wants something concrete. So don't worry about it, but always go for your terms and conditions. It will be helping you only, right? So these are the 5 important points you have to work on it when you are launching your online classes. Any questions you have?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, so again, the point is content and delivery. Yesterday also I told you content you'll be getting, like the notes you got, similar books are there, complete books are there. You can anytime take it and those will help you to work, right? Those will give you entire knowledge of Vedic mathematics, but work on delivery. Now, if you saw, you got connected to me with some advertisement. Now, if that ad is not eye-catching, if it is not having any video or any image, would you have been attracted by the advertisement? If I write simple 4 words, learn Vedic mathematics, will you check that ad? Yes. See,
No, sir.
we always, even if we have to eat something, we first see it, right? Because our whatever our eyes like, then only our brain says yes or no. So the first thing is, it should be eye-catching content. So when you're putting it on web, when you're putting it, because nowadays, see, this is the easiest source of advertisement, online, social media, and it is the most cheapest one also. All those who are newcomers in the business, let me tell you, this is the most cheapest mode of advertisement. You can advertise throughout the world for less than 100 rupees a day. Can you believe this thing? So Facebook gives you that power. Instagram gives you that power. Earlier, we were restricted with newspapers or TV ads. That was costing so much, but nowadays it's so cheap. The only thing is your content should be good. So how to have an eye-catching content? Media, graphics, images, videos. These are very important. These play a very important role in that. So how to get these images done? Now, earlier it was Corel, Photoshop only. But now there is a because now we all need a simple handy tools. So Canva is one such software which is very handy. You can have it into your mobile, and you get so many templates. Templates means ready-made designs are there where you just have to change some lines for you, your name, your pick, anything, and everything is ready. Now, so how many of you have used Canva? Do you know Canva? Danesh, do you know Canva?
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Indrajeet?
Yes,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
So how easy it is? No, Pawan,
It's
no,
very easy.
you
No, sir.
people were doing in this lockdown, you were doing classes. So online designing कैसे करते थे? How were you designing?
Sir, I do on my iPhone. iPhone में ऐसा एक ऐप है, क्या नाम से है, भूल गया नाम उसका, iMovie. I will do on iMovie.
Got it. But एक बार Canva भी check करना. Yes, that is also good one. Now, similarly, for making videos, now you'll say videos have 1 second का बनाना. It's very easy. Yes, InShot is there. One more software is there when you find it difficult to deliver a lecture. Suppose you have to say, or you have to deliver something big. आपको 10 मिनट का है, 5 मिनट का है, you are not able to do that. So how to do that comfortably? There is always a software called as teleprompter. Do you know what it is?
No, sir.
Teleprompter was used in early last 19 you can say early last 90s, when when news readers used to use that screen in front of them and the text was floating in front. मतलब text अपने आप चल रहा है आगे and you are just reading. So now you can download that software in your mobile, that app in your mobile, and you can hold the mobile like this and record. See, the content is in front of you, so your eyes will not move anywhere. You are looking directly into the mobile and You are reading and you are speaking. So that means reading the script and recording. That is known as teleprompter. So there are so many teleprompters available free of cost in. So initially you can download that also, because that will give you confidence to speak. Otherwise you'll stuck in between. So to get that confidence, write down your matter, write down your content, and put it in that software. It will float in front of you. Whatever speed you want, you can have it. So all the things are adjusted. See the technical things which has happened. If I talk about long 15, 20 years back, there was nothing like such. Corel and Photoshop were the only softwares which used to take half an hour to design one pic. Now Canva takes 1 second to 2 seconds, because you just have to copy and paste. Similarly, teleprompter, people like me, even I was a shy person who was not able to speak earlier on the screen. So now this software would help you out, right? And very supportive. So there are so many softwares by the name teleprompter. You can download any one and use it to make your videos. Mind it, ads or your post with a video will get more likes, more comments than an image. But both are required if instead of a plain text or half-hearted image, right? These are the places from where you can get free images, videos. You can take a screenshot of this and use later on. Got it? Okay. So sales page. Now, before that, the first thing you have to decide is, are you giving online classes recorded or live? Are you giving one-to-one classes or in group? So this is a very decisive factor. Yes, what do you think? For mathematics, what should be the ideal mode, recorded or live?
Live.
Live.
But live would cost. And you might have seen so many people, they want, no, I am busy, I want recorded. And you know, people who say they are busy, actually they are the most people who don't actually, they have not planned their timings. See, mathematics, I don't know about the other subjects, maybe other subjects you can understand while watching. But for mathematics, you need practice along with it. If we are not practicing, it is just like a movie which will come and go off and we remember nothing. So if you ask my idea, that is always live sessions in mathematics. Till now, I've never given recorded videos. Though people come to me, yes, please give us recorded. That would be cheaper. I agree. But what will you get at the end of the day? 5, 10 more customers. And they are also not satisfied. If you see my reviews, I've never received a 4-star review also, all 5-star, either in Facebook, Google, everywhere. Why? Because when you teach someone personally, you take out his doubts. You talk about all the queries they have. And what happens in recorded? I'll record first the best 5 questions, which are easy, and I'll do it. I will never think differently. See, it happens with everyone. Every question is unique in maths. Maybe today you don't have that question, the other person has, right? So that is the benefit in life. You can get all your doubts cleared. Again, one-to-one. So your again, in the advertisement or in the promotion or in the guidance, it should be very clear that I am providing live classes. That would have more impact. One-on-one or group. Now, one-on-one would be a costly affair every time, because if you're giving time to one student at one time, that means you are engaged for that 1 hour. So that would be always costly. Yes, before lockdown, it was very easily, people had sufficient funds in their pockets, but now after COVID, they are also looking for group classes, right? So earlier, the person whom I was talking about, Nigeria, he took personal class. That lady, that girl, she took personal class. But nowadays, from last 1 year, I think I've never taken a personal class. It's always group classes. So that, yes, I do take small groups, but group will always have a lesser fee, right? So these are the platforms from where you can launch your classes. There could be two kinds of classes. One is open webinars, workshops, meetings, classes. Open means there is no restriction. Anyone can log in. Anyone can come in between and go anytime. Now, these could be free also. Facebook is the most important or most used platform for this purpose. You might have seen sometimes you are on Facebook and you receive a notification someone is live. So what is that? Someone started their class or whatever you can call webinar, workshop, meeting, and you got a notification. So all the friends get a notification. But yes, if you make it paid, paid to the Facebook, they'll send it to all the customers who showed interest in that. That comes under event section. Instagram also has the same options. WhatsApp. So here you can have online webinars, workshops, meetings, classes. Right now, YouTube, it is also one of the important platform from where so many people have done videos that is available free of cost anytime. LinkedIn is there, but it is not easily available to everybody to launch. They have their own restrictions, they have their own conditions. But yes, WhatsApp, it is the most easiest one. You can start with your open webinars, workshops, meetings, classes, and Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. They are the most easiest way. Applications like Udemy, you can record your videos and put in that. So people can, that is just like a place where people come and search for courses, right? So you get a place to put out your content. Number of people can reach you up. So these are the ways how you can start and launch your class. But now if you're talking about, no, I just need a paid one, I need a restricted audience, I need only those persons who are paying, and then they have to attend my class. So for that, Zoom, Google Meet, they are the best modes. Like we are taking the class right now. So whosoever I wanted restricted, I gave the password. That is a person who is able to connect. Right? Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler. These are known as LMS, Learning Management Systems. Now, what is the difference? In learning management systems, you get a ID, you get a unique ID from where you can connect also through Zoom or Google for open and live webinars, and at the same time you can view the recordings of the last sessions. So it is kind of your login where everything regarding that particular course program is stored. It might be notes, your homework, everything. But definitely these are costly affairs. So if you're thinking to have a Thinkific, Teachable, Zenler, you have to pay them some fees every year, whereas Google and Zoom, they are comparatively not that much costly, right? So this is how you can have restricted or paid audience for your meetings, webinars, and classes. So any questions in sales now? Sales page, sorry. Yes, any question?
No, sir.
Yes, Pawan?
No, sir.
Danesh?
No, sir. It's okay.
Okay. Now, coming to the payments part. So I was telling, in India, if you are in India, very easy, GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, all things are available. But if you have clients who say, no, I want to pay through credit card only, debit card only, then you have certain companies who transact or who accepts payment in all the forms. So the Instamozo, Razorpay, they are such media through which you can accept the payments. But if it is international, then PayPal is one of the easiest mode to accept payments. Definitely, they take 3% transaction charges, but this is the way to accept payments internationally. But this also fails in Nepal. Now, Nepal has a very unique feature. They don't allow money to go out of the country. So since I've been working in Nepal from past 2 months now, and this is the very important fact, all these methods fail in Nepal. There they have their own system. E-Seva is there. They have an app, but that too working only in their country. So for that, now sometimes like such problems, if you have to work with Nepal, then you have to think other way out. That a person living in Nepal, he's traveling to India often, or he has an Indian account also. Generally, they do have. So these things, because at the end of the day, if you're teaching, if you're taking classes, you need money also, right? So these are the methods from how you can accept money from foreign clients, foreign students. That the best is PayPal. So let's talk about cubes. Just give me 1 minute break. In the meantime, you can just write down this table. I'll just be back within my pen. One. Yes. Have you written?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is a cube? What is cube of a number? It is represented like n raised to power 3, and it means a number is multiplied by itself 3 times. Right. So if I am talking about cube of 1, that means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 3, 2. क्या होगा?
1.
1.
Right.
1.
2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8.
8.
Right. So this is how you will work. So that table you have to remember again, that would be very helpful when we'll be solving bigger numbers. Got it?
Yes.
So what is 9 cube? You just have written the table 9 into 9 into 9. What is in the table?
729.
729.
9 into 9 is
729.
81. 81 into 9 is 729. See, if you find it difficult, remember this thing. 81 and 9. So 9 as it is, 72. Done. Okay. Now, we'll start with the topic finding cube of 2-digit numbers. And to make it more interesting, because it should not look like a normal math, so students should find interest in this. Let us divide. So we have numbers from 11 to 99 first. Let us divide all these numbers into 4 categories. Category 1, numbers starting with 1. Now, what are the numbers? 11, 12, 13, 19.
19. Yes.
Category 2, numbers ending with 1. So that is again 11, 21, 31, 41, 91. Third category, numbers having both digits same. Example, 11, 22, 33, 99. Got it? Up till here, any question you have?
No, sir.
Now, the fourth one is all leftover numbers. All leftover. So that is 23, 24, 98. Yes, any question? Any question you have?
No, sir.
20 क्यों नहीं सर?
हाँ?
20 क्यों नहीं सर?
20 भी ले लो.
आसान है इसलिए है.
भाई 20 में 0 का क्या निकालोगे?
हाँ, वो इतना आसान है इसलिए.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ले लो. First case. So let's take an example 12. Okay, case 1, number starting with 1. So we have 4 steps. Step 1, make space available for 4 digits. Second step, At first place, write 1. At second place, write 2. Yes, up till here, any doubt? Now, I have a question. Why 4 spaces only? Why not 3? Why not 5?
Because 10 के क्यूब तक ही 4 स्पेस आ गए थे हमारे, तो 10 से आगे जितने भी 2 डिजिट नंबर हैं सबके 4 स्पेस में आएंगे।
Got it? So 4 spaces are minimum. If it is, even if it is become 5, so we can have 2 digits here in the last one. Minimum 4 are required. So we talk about minimum always. Maximum could be there. That could be adjusted in the last one. Now, this is to find the square of 2. So what is square of 2? Yes, square of 2. 4.
4.
Find the cube of 2.
8.
What is that?
8.
8.
So now we have got number 1, 2, 4, 8. Correct? Now the concept is nothing to be written here, nothing to be written here. If you remember, for squaring, first digit pe nahi likh rahe the. Now only middle terms we have to write. We have what we have to write? We have to double this. What is the double of 4?
8.
Double of 2?
4.
And add it. 8, 12 ka 2, 1 idhar gaya 7, 1. So 1728 is your answer. Just play like
Repeat,
a
sir,
game.
please.
Sorry, come again.
Please repeat, sir.
कर रहा हूँ
1428 से 1248 के बाद रिपीट
कर रहा हूँ See once again 1248 आ गया.
Yes.
These middle terms, जो middle की terms हैं, double them. What is double of 4? 8. Double of 2? 4. Add
4.
8.
Okay.
12. 6. 1. So this goes here 1728. Yes, is it clear now? Yes, Inderveer. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any question? Okay. Now, let's say one more number, 18. Now, I will not write first step. I'll write directly 1, 8. What is square of 8?
64.
64.
What is the cube of 8?
512.
Just see over here. You can write down later on 128, 16, add it, 512, 2, 9, 1, 24, 1. So what happened? 2, 51 goes here. So that means 3. Further goes here. It means 8 and 5. See, just balancing line. You are just playing with that balancing line. Nothing you are doing. So what should you remember? Simple addition. Addition is important. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. If,
Yes.
if it is clear, write down 15 cube.
Sir, 337.
3375.
So now is it clear?
3375.
See how easy it is. Otherwise, what you have to do? 15 into 15. So first, okay, 5, 75, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 2, 5. Then again 15. So 2 times you have to multiply, and here you are just playing with the numbers 1, 5, 25, and cube is 125. So 10, 50, and the things are done. Is clear or any doubt is still there?
No, it's clear, sir.
Okay, very good. Now coming to the second one, reverse of it means now the number 1 should be at the end. Now let's take a number 21. Now if you have to find 21 cube, again 21 into 21, so you cram it 441. But again for 21 you have to do this. And here same, first 4 steps, but second here it is to be reversed. Now ending with 1, so end with 1. What is square of 2? 4. Cube of 2? 8. Again double it. So 9, 2, 6, 1. Only you have reversed the positioning, that's all. In case of 12, you started 1, 2, 4, 8. Here you did 1, 2, 4, 8 in the opposite manner. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's have another number. 61, suppose. So 1, 6. What is square of 6?
36.
Cube of 6.
216.
So 12, 72. So what happens? 216 slash 108 slash 18 slash 1. So 1, 8, 9, 2, 2, 6. See, the calculation part has gone. The most difficult thing is the calculation part. That has gone. Simple addition and then using the balancing line. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Again, if it is clear, do 51 cube.
Sir, 132651.
Yes. 132651.
Any doubt now?
No, sir.
So how easy it is to find a cube? Otherwise, we cannot do it because it's clearly lengthy one. And remember, so I am teaching 8th class standard students. So what they told me back is our teacher was just writing on the blackboard and we finished it. Because here it is, the calculation part is gone. See, the best part is the big calculations, they are no more there. Right? Okay. So before proceeding to the last two cases, let me tell you what is the second thing. What is the books contents? What is the complete syllabus for teacher training program? Just give me a second. Now, see, very first thing, if you have seen the hours, there it is written complete in 6 weeks. Now, how 6 weeks and what time actually it is taking? Now, the complete course is 66 hours, around 60 plus hours, you can say. And we have two kinds of classes. One is weekend and one is weekdays. Weekend means only Saturdays and Sundays. Weekdays means Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you are giving 2 hours, 2 plus 2 hours, that means 4 hours in a week. So approximately this takes 16 weeks to complete. Here, if you're giving 2 hours, so it takes 10 to 11 weeks to complete. So how 6 was, earlier this batch was also for 3 hours. There are some batches, people who say, no, we want to complete in much less time. So they devote 9 hours in a week. 3 plus 3, 3 hours class, like we are doing right now also. Yesterday we did 3 hours class. So 3 hours classes means you'll be able to complete this entire syllabus. So that means 10 hours in a week. So would be possible to complete in 6 weeks, right? So this is how we do. And the timings are generally 6 to 8, or if it is 5 to 8 in the evening, PM, and 11 to 11 PM. So this is the most important because everybody gets free by this time. So this is what we run, right? Now, let me tell you about the content also. So the entire syllabus is divided into 6 steps. Steps means you'll be going right from the beginning and up till the end. Now, beginning is introduction to Vedic mathematics, the terminology used. Now, yesterday we had a brief introduction. So similarly, then there would be a terminology like we use sutra, ikadikena, all from 9 line, last from 10. So first your terminology will be cleared initially, then we'll move further. So yesterday we did topic 8 from this, writing multiplication tables of numbers ending with 9. Now, why multiplication tables before addition? See, first thing is you need to generate the interest of the student. First thing is you need to remove the fear factor of this. They have already crammed these tables. So for that, they are not doing addition or all this thing. Their fear has to go. Then only they'll be showing interest in your subject, right? So this is, so we did yesterday 8th topic and 9. Now, second step deals with multiplication. I told you like multiplication. Now, multiplication, like you did 999 into 999. Now, this is verbal in case of multiplication. Why? Because it is just one less than the 1000. So it is 998001 or any such big numbers. This is known as Nikhilam Sutra or base method multiplication. Entire 80-page book deals with this. It has exercise, solved examples, 50. If there are 20 solved examples, 50 questions are also thereafter, so that you can have enough sufficient practice. Third step deals with multiplication of another type. That is known as Urdhva Sutra or crisscross multiplication. So if you are dealing with class 3, 4, 5, you will not do step 2. Second book is not recommended. Then they'll learn this method only. Right? It is very fast, and thereafter we have special cases. For example, we did yesterday 11. 8th topic we did yesterday. 9th topic we did yesterday. Then algebra is very easy here. If you have to multiply x square plus 3x plus 9 into 2x square plus 9x minus 3. Now for this there would be 9 factors and you need around 4 lines to solve. But in Vedic maths, it's a single line answer and no confusion at all. That is possible only with the help of Urdhva Sutra. Algebra is covered along with arithmetics. Fourth step deals with, first concept is all from 9, last from 10. Yesterday I was discussing every child, everybody should know this money transaction. So this is the background of that, and the examples are money transaction. Then concept of doubling. I told you multiplication with 2. It is a mind exercise. Both the brains start working. So if you want your brain to work, start just multiplication with 2. And within 5 minutes, you'll see how fast your brain can work. And both the brains, not only left, right, both combination. Halving, division by 2. Again, very good. Scaring, today we did 6th topic, method for finding square of a 2-digit number. Then we did 7th topic, finding a square of 2, 3, 4-digit number ending with 5 using Kadikena Purvena Sutra. And we also did 11th, universal method to find square of any number up till 1000, but we did for 49 also. So it's not 1000 only, you can go for bigger numbers. So if you can see topic 4 to 17, they all cover such topics of scaring. And 18th topic is your cubes, what we are doing right now, 2-digit numbers, then cubes. So we have taken topics in the workshop from step 1 also, step 3 also, step 4 also, so that you get to know the brief of Vedic mathematics. Step 5, it deals with division. Now division is at the last. Why? Again, the question is, the answer is your addition, subtraction, multiplication should be very clear first, right? Now, the latest update of the syllabus is given in the website. You have the link, dryogeshchandna.in/books. You have the complete syllabus with that. So we'll be dealing in division, then we'll be dealing with HCF, LCM. This is very important for class 6, 7, 8. Fractions. Every child of class 3rd is having a fear for fractions also. So this can be done. Saptam, division by 7. And the last deals with square roots. Now to find a square root of a number, we generally make factors. But here in Vedic maths, you just visualize the number and you tell the square root. So it becomes verbal, right? Very easy. And imperfect squares also we can do. Cube roots also we can do. Then we can do divisibility, magic squares, calendar, quadratic equations, polynomial equations, all the equations, whatever covers in algebra we do over here. So these are these 6 steps which generally takes around 60 hours. And the fees now, let's, so fees, generally it is 18,000, but yes, for the workshop, it is 12,999. What do you get? One is international certification. Once you have done this course, you have to appear for one exam, 1 hour online exam, and thereafter you are awarded international certification. No extra fees for that. One set of books you get, that is 6 books you'll be getting, all the designs free. See, if you are my student, so that means you are free to assess all my designs, all support letters of different schools, governments, institutions, whatever I have gained till now, those letters can be given. And 1 year support, right? So this is, so anybody who would be interested, they can let me know later directly. Coming back to the topic. So we were there at, we covered 2 major topics. Now, last category, third category is when the numbers are same. For example, 11, 22, 33, 99. Now, this is the most easiest one. Can you think? Now, you do like this, 22, 22. Then, whatever is the answer, again 22. But here, it is very easy. Can you make a guess? Yes, Irvinda, now you, can you make a...
So multiplication with 11?
No.
No.
Let's say number is 22 or any number 33. We just have to find cube of a number. So what is cube of 2?
8.
Write down at every place and double the middle terms. Finish. If it is 3, so 27, 27, 27, 27, 54, 54, so 27, 81, 81, 27, so 7, 3, 9, 35. Got it? The most easiest one. And yes, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So now do for 55.
One double 6 3 7 5.
Yes, Pawan. Done? Chalo. So let's come to the last topic, last point of the day. Now, left out numbers. So any number you can say. Let's start with 23 first. Now you have to remember the formula a cube a square b square a and b cube. If you just pay attention, you'll remember we used to double this part and this part. So double means 2a square b, 2b square a, and total would come a cube, 3a square b, 3b square a, and b cube. What is this? This is just your algebraic formula, a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Got it? Now see, for example, 23. So in 23, what is A? 2. What is B? 3. So what is A cube? 8. What is A square B? 2 into 3, 12. What is B square A? 18 and 27. So just double it, 24, 36. It becomes 27, 54, 36, 8. So 7, 6, 1, 12. So 1, 2, 1, 6, 7 is your answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir.
You have? Any question you have regarding this?
No, sir.
सर ये फार्मूले तो अलजेब्रा के यूज हो रहे हैं
क्या?
बट हमने ये पढ़े थे कि a क्यूब प्लस जो फार्मूला लिखवा रहे हो ना ये सब कुछ मतलब
आवाज जा रही है आपकी. अपनी स्टार्ट करो. रही फॉर्मूले की बात, तो फॉर्मूला
कर रहे हो
ये डिराइव जो होता है वो अनुपेना
कॉन्सेप्ट लेके चल रहे हो.
हाँ बोलिए. यस.
ओके सर, ओके, कोई नहीं.
ये फॉर्मूला डिराइव होता है अनुपेना सूत्र से भी.
हाँ जी.
पर वो सूत्र अभी हमने यहाँ नहीं किया ना, क्योंकि आज एकदम सारा कुछ एक असाइनमेंट में ही किया जा सकता वो तो. बट आप बात बताओ मुझे, अगर 22 का आ गया या 88 का आ गया, वाई टू यूज फॉर्मूला? आप उतने देर क्यों मेहनत करें, हम फॉर्मूला लगा के रट्टा मारें? अगर 88 आ गया तो हमें जस्ट सिंपल से उसको सिखाना चाहिए. सो दिस इज हाउ वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट. एफर्ट करें ना, अननेसेसरी एफर्ट्स करें फॉर्मूला रट. ऐसा नहीं है वो नहीं क्वेश्चन किए जा सकते. सेम क्वेश्चंस कैन बी वर्कड हियर आल्सो. सी
Yes.
अगर वो 11 है हमारा, हमने सॉरी 12 किया था पहले, सो 12 में a क्यूब a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर a और b क्यूब, 12 में क्या आया a 1, a स्क्वायर b कितना आया 2, b स्क्वायर कितना आया 4, 8। हमने गेम से भी तो यही बनाया था कि फर्स्ट राइट डाउन फर्स्ट लेटर देन सेकंड देन उसका स्क्वायर 4 और उसका क्यूब 8।
Yes.
राइट। उल्टे का जब हमने किया 21 तो इससे आया 8 4 2 1। हमने गेम में भी वही किया, पहले 1 फिर 2 फिर 8। All the three categories can be done by this method, but why to remember the formula, why to do it with formula if you have easy way? और फिर इंटरेस्टिंग कैसे बनेगी एजुकेशन अगर हम उससे रट्टे के कारण ही तो हम भूल गए सब कुछ। Got my point?
Yes.
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 So that brings end to the total section. Any questions now you have, let me know.
सर आई वांट टू नो अबाउट द क्लासेस जो आपने बोला था, वीकेंड का टाइमिंग्स क्या है और 9 to 11 बैच जो है वो अवेलेबल है?
अभी कोई भी बैच अवेलेबल नहीं है इस हफ्ते, सो यू हैव टू वेट। बट सिंस ऐसा होता है कि जैसे कोई भी बैच आप अटेंड करते हैं उसके साथ आपको बुक्स मिलती हैं। अभी आप बुक्स आज कल मंगवा लो, विद इन 1 वीक एक बैच अनाउंस होने वाला है। मे बी वी आर गोइंग टू अनाउंस, बट लास्ट अभी 6 to 8 की प्रॉब्ली ऑप्शन है कि 6 to 8 स्टार्ट होगा, पहले सैटरडे संडे।
सैटरडे संडे 6 to 8?
यस,
ओके।
बिकॉज सैटरडे संडे टीचर्स आर फ्री, या वो 9 to 11 में फ्री होते हैं या सैटरडे संडे 6 to 8 में लेते हैं। सो वो एक बैच में 2-3 क्लासेस अभी रहती थी, इसीलिए मैं दे नहीं रहा। सो विल जस्ट सी।
ओके सर, अगर जैसे क्लास थोड़ा जैसे सैटरडे संडे 6 to 8 वाला होता है, तो अगर थोड़ा सा मतलब मुझे सैटरडे का प्रॉब्लम है तो 6 to 7 ना हो पाए, 7 o'clock ज्वाइन कर लूं तो रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल होएगी क्लास की?
रिकॉर्डिंग कल भी मिली थी आपको। इसके अलावा अभी आपने आज वर्कशॉप कर लिया, नेक्स्ट वीक की वर्कशॉप भी आप कर सकते हैं। आप पूरे साल जितनी मर्जी वर्कशॉप से अटेंड कर लीजिए, because content is not, see, I cannot take the same example also, I cannot remember, I am not looking to any book, it's just verbal. So whatever is coming, see, more you will attend, more you will be learning. Every Tuesday and Thursday I have a session called Ask Me How. In that, people from far away countries, they come and they ask you queries. So if you want to become a trainer, you should be ready to answer everything, very first thing. So how will you learn that? That will come from practice, that will come from observations. The more you will observe, the more you will listen, more topics you will get. What's my point? So, and so when you're doing a course, even if you're missing something, one option is always available. You'll be getting recording after 2 hours. That is always there.
Yes.
But you can ask if another batch is going with the same pace or after this. So what happens? You can join in that also for that particular topic and come back again. Not an issue.
Okay.
Or both you can join. In a week, you can join both.
Okay. So is there any chance कि 9 to 11 वाला batch start होएगा?
Abhi 9 to 11, it will take at least a month.
Oh.
All batches are full, already full. So that was the reason I was not taking even workshop. But and 6 to 8 only. See, in daytime we have seminars.
Okay.
So that is why classes are always from after 3. And teachers, housewives, they are not available at 3. So 3 to 6 is fixed for students. After 6, it is for teachers.
Okay.
Don't
तो
worry.
आपका बैच अनाउंस होता है, कैसे पता चलेगा?
I'll just, you can drop me on WhatsApp. I'll just share you after maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll announce after 10 days. We'll have a batch. Not an issue.
ठीक है सर.
Keep otherwise page पर आता रहता है, update होता रहता है.
Okay sir.
Right. चलो. And see you now what happens? हाँ बोलिए.
आप स्कूल में आने के लिए बोल रहे थे ना, स्कूल में प्रोग्राम रखे। मेरा स्कूल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल है सर, गवर्नमेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी,
पवन
यहाँ
जी,
पलवल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है।
गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स का प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रहा है अभी कि उनकी बिना परमिशन के बात नहीं बनेगी ना, इसलिए प्राइवेट में तो जाने के लिए प्रिंसिपल से सिर्फ बात हो जाती है। गवर्नमेंट में कई चीजें हैं। कहाँ पर है
कोई
आपका?
परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं है सर, मेरा पलवल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, 3 के पास है।
चलो मेरे को एक बार भेजना एड्रेस, मैं देखता हूँ उधर आने का बनेगा तो मैं I'll definitely visit।
हाँ मतलब निकालिए, मोटिवेट करेंगे सर बच्चों को।
कोई बात नहीं, करते हैं, ठीक है, ठीक है।
Sir, you are a very good teacher. Thank you so much. आपसे पढ़ के मुझे, you are a very good teacher.
Now,
And thank you so much. You are so passionate about your subject. आपसे पढ़ के बहुत मजा आया.
see, now if I can do, you can do, because I'll tell you one thing.
सर पहले मुझे आपसे कोर्स करना है proper.
Yes, that would be done, and I'll tell you some details. So I was not a teacher. It just happened something. Okay, no issues. We'll work on it. Right, chalo. Thank you and keep in touch.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, जी.